YouTube? It's your boy G, and I'm back with another video. And today we are in Lowe. We're looking at paint. Well, this is what I'm getting. This is what I'm getting right here. Some Plasti Dip. So I'm planning on painting my rims on the Chrysler, and we're gonna use this stuff here. I just left Walmart because I was looking for it at Walmart, but I couldn't find it at Walmart. But luckily, Lowe's had it. So yeah, $8. It is. Now, let's go. Get up out of here. All right, we out of there. Got what we needed. Boom. Look at my baby. Yeah. All right, so y'all, if y'all don't know, this is the Chrysler 300S alloy edition. So on the alloy edition, the rims are kind of a bronze, and I kind of want to just go black on them. So, but hey, before we can put this on there, we gotta clean the rims. We gotta clean them up real good. That's why I bought this stuff here, so that we can clean the tires really good, clean the rims really good before we paint. But anyways, we out of here. We finna hit the road. Cause of course, I gotta go get some food. Got some tacos from the taco truck. Boom, boom, boom. Look at my car. My car looking nice, man. Oh, it's actually clean. Normally my car be dirty.
The next day.
What up, gang? It's another day, and we back on the wheels, so that's what we're doing today. Trying to clean them. Y'all, my tires are so dirty. I just got done spraying them down with this, and this is just water. I hit them with the soap and water first, and then I scrubbed them with this, and hit them with the water. Now, I want to hit them with the alcohol. The alcohol's inside, so we're gonna go get the alcohol, wipe them down with the alcohol. Should be good, so let's do that. Got the alcohol. Now we need a rag. I couldn't find any rags. I mean, I have these rags here, but I guess I could use these. All right, now I got the rag. Let's start wiping this down. All right, now we're gonna put some alcohol. I really need the alcohol in the spray bottle. Towels are absorbent. All right, we wiped it down with alcohol. Now I'm about to, I should probably put air in it first before I start painting it. So let's do that. All right, let's plug this up. Y'all, I hate that this phone doesn't have a 0.5 lens. So if it seems really close, that's why. But I like how it does the aperture, like how it does the focus in the aperture. Boom, boom. Should be on. Say he wants that cat. Hey, no. All right, we're finna do this real quick. All right, y'all, I think this is as prepped as we're gonna get it. So let's go get a trash bag, or not a trash bag. Let's get a sandwich bag so we can, not a sandwich bag either. Golly, let's just get a bag so we can cover up the brake caliper and the rotor. That's what we're gonna do now. Okay, change the plans. I think I'm just gonna take the wheel off. Let's just do that. We need this. Boom. Let's get the jack. I was gonna say, I don't even know where my jack is at, but forgot I put it back here. Boom. Yep, we're gonna need a jack stand too. We'll need a jack stand and the jack. I'm gonna have to come back for that. In there. Shit just cost a little bit. All right, I found him. Boom. That's it right there. All right, y'all, I think I'm about to take this into the shop. Or should I just paint it right here? I could just paint it right here, really. But yeah, we might just paint it right here. But let me try to clean up this area, see? Where the lug nuts was at. That's kind of dirty too, so. All right, let me clean this up again. Oh, man. All right, this is what we got. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up and get it going. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we start spraying. All right, this is it. I'm about to start spraying. Y'all ain't gonna lie, my rims do look kind of nice like that with that color. But, no, I think black on black is gonna look way better. Oh, let's see. All right, just wanna make sure it's coming out. All right, there goes nothing, gang. They said it's soft. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all, I'm about to put y'all down so I can really focus on this. So I'm not doing nothing too crazy. But I really do need to lock in, twin, and do this as even as possible. So I'm gonna get with y'all when I finish this. I'll show y'all what it look like. It's already looking pretty good though. Damn, black on black. And I got brand new tires inside that we about to put on that too. So yeah, that spreaded pretty good. Yep. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get back with y'all in here in a little bit. Boom. That's what we had before. Got nothing. Let me know in the comments if I'm doing all right. Let me know if I'm making a good decision. What's good though, this is just Plasti Dip, so we should be able to peel it off. See, peelable. We should be able to peel it off if, you know, we don't end up liking it. I want to customize, or I want to eventually take that off, put some red accents in it somehow. That way the red on there can complement the red calipers and the 5.7 Hemi badge that we got. So yeah. Wait, is this grass? No, that's a chip. Cool. Speaking of chips, there's chips down here at the bottom that need to be covered up. That's what I need to do. I need to go around it. Yeah, I don't care too much about the tires. All right, this how it's looking so far. This is like three or four coats so far. I think we can do up to 7 coats with that can, which there is still quite a bit in it. Still quite a bit in the can, so. Yeah, we're getting there. All right, while we let that dry a little bit, I think we should go to the other side, start cleaning this wheel some. Get this wheel nice and clean. We already cleaned them at the car wash once, but I didn't have this brush when I was at the car wash. This brush helps a lot because you can get in there like that. I don't even think this is a tire brush. It's just something I got at the Dollar Tree one time. But hey, it's working. It works. It definitely works. So, all right, y'all, I'm about to clean this tire. Get with y'all when I get done. Got to clean it with the soap and water. Hit it with just the water. Then we'll hit it with the alcohol. All right, let me wipe this down. Hit it with alcohol. Ooh, that thing drying. It's like a matte black. They sell the stuff to make it glossy. I don't know if I'm gonna go gloss or I'm gonna keep it matte like this. Cause this ain't that bad. Kind of like that. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Once I put them on the car, we'll be able to really tell. Since I didn't paint the rim while it was on the thing, I'm not painting my lug nuts either. But I don't know if I should paint them or keep them chrome. They might throw it off with the silver. I don't know. We'll see. That's a wrap. Pretty much empty. Looking good though. Yo, we losing daylight already, so I may only be able to do one rim. Somebody cutting up, trying to go cut up too. But I could do this one in the shop, so we might do that. I am getting hungry and I need to go get some food. All right, gang, so I think I'm about to try and put this tire back on there, and let's see, hopefully we don't scratch it. And then when I go to put the lug nuts back on, hopefully the lug nuts don't damage and scratch it either. So we'll see, fingers crossed. We finna do this right now. Oh, I was in there. No, I'm worried. All right, nothing. Y'all, that's a wrap. Oh, I still need to lower the car. I was like, why is this sitting so high? I'm tripping. I need to lower this a little bit. Y'all just hit my knee with the jack. Man, that thing hurt. Right? Dention right there. But anyways, that's it, gang. Look, now we got the black rims on there. Yeah. Comparison, can y'all tell? That black definitely looks better, don't it? The black compared to this one. See how it's got that almost like a gunmetal gray, but it's not gunmetal gray. There's a little bronze tint to it. That compared to that. Oh, yeah. Once we put the brand new tires on there, we put the tire shine on there, I think it's gonna look good. Yeah. All right, we probably about to go get some food and then come back and finish the other side. We'll do the other side in the shop though. Or you know what I could do? I could move this car right here. We can get the wheel off and then we'll take the Benz to go get some food. Yeah, we'll do that. That's what we're gonna do. The reason I say that is because I already cleaned this tire. So if we get on the road and we start driving, it's just gonna get dirty and I'm gonna have to clean this thing again. So it's better if I just go ahead and take it off. To paint it, we can go get food, come back, and then pop it back on. All right, the car started, we finna move it. Put it down this way. Boom. All right, car moved. Ooh, that rim though. All right, now you can really tell the difference, gold or the black. Black really look better. Ran over a Sadie's ball. See like that gold is pretty, that little bronze is not that bad. But I don't know, that black kind of looks better. What's cool is I could just peel it off. If I end up not liking it, I could peel it off. What y'all think about the silver lug nuts though? Keep them silver? That's not bad, huh? Because I feel like the silver complements the rotor. Now, like I said, I gotta put a little bit of red in here. That way it can match the caliper. I think that'd be pretty cool. We'll see. See how this has like a little groove right there? I'm thinking about putting the red right there. I don't know. We'll see, man. We'll see. We gotta do this process all over again. I'm about to grab the board, put it underneath there, take that wheel off, spray it, and then we go get some food. By the time we come back, it should be dry enough to put onto the car. Then we'll have the back done. We just have to do the front after that. Yeah, that's cool. And also, I gotta edit a video tonight because it's already Tuesday, or is it Wednesday? It's already Wednesday, and I gotta have a video out by tomorrow. I have the video footage, I just gotta edit it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Get some food, come back, put the tire on, get to editing. We're gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, I think I'm gonna get moved, even though they're gonna get wet. I wasn't even NASCAR. Apparently, I didn't break this loose. Now now the socket's about to be stuck on. Trying to get it off with the board. All right, y'all. Now we gotta go in the shop and take this off real quick. We got it. I had to hit it with the punch, get it out of there. Put a little indentation on top, but it should be all right. Boom. All right, let's get back to it. All right. Boom. Weight off that tire. Hey, tire ain't going. There we go. Boom. Yeah. Y'all, these tires are bald. I would really like to rotate my tires. What I need to do, this tire got a gash. Getting there. Y'all don't know, I'm tearing these tires up on purpose because we got brand new tires inside, so kind of just need to tear these up. And I also need an alignment. You can tell, look how bald it is right here. And look how there's still tread right here. See, it's not wearing evenly. You can even see it, it's kind of, yeah. So this will be showing wires soon, on the inside. All right, we're gonna get it right though. Once I put brand new tires on it, we're gonna get an alignment. Everything should be good after that. All right, let's paint this rim and then go get some food. Oh, we also need to clean it again because we need to clean in the inside of those lug nut ports. So let's do that. All right, I just cleaned the tire. Now let's get another can. I got 4 cans, 1 can per tire, per wheel. All right. Boom, looking good, looking good. All right, let's get to it, man. All right, y'all, boy, Deezy showed up. Y'all look what happened to his car, man. Somebody hit him, or somebody reversed into his car at the grocery store. God darn it. Y'all, this is the last tire.
Now we both
now she got a crooked smile, huh? All right, y'all, we finna go grab some food real quick. Let that rim dry. We gotta take the bins. He's gotta move his car. Hey, you can park in the front if you want. Yeah. Oh, damn, that bitch put the crack in your windshield too?
Oh, no, that was already there. Remember when he was like, man, we can get that little thing to pull it out.
I feel like it wasn't that big though. We have to check.
From the highway, because I do drive on the highway behind them 18 wheelers.
Yeah. All right, we out here. Yo, that does suck that his car got hit like that. All right, let's get out of here. All right, gang, I had got distracted. DC had pulled up, then we went and got some food, but that rim is dry, ready to get put on. So now I gotta bring that over here. We lost light, so now I got this light on. But yeah, now we're gonna put it on there. So I'm gonna set y'all down and I'm gonna do this real quick. Y'all got dark and cold. Can't really got any light. Touch it. I put them in this bag. Guess this bad part of nasty rims. Worried about paint. Even when my nail just barely hits it, but I think in the days, I don't know. Yeah, like that. All right, that's a wrap on it. I definitely need to put this key back though. Boom, all right. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We got 2. I feel like you can see more in there, man. Neat though, that's neat. I like that, I like that. I should take that badging. There's a comparison right there. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Oh, it'd be hard to say. Tomorrow I'll show y'all. Tomorrow I'll give y'all a better look what it looks like. And I need to clean inside that fender. So dirty underneath there. Y'all y'all, this is my old car, Cutlass. Hey, we went from that to these. Feel me? Stop playing with us. All right, boo-boo? I just put that light up too. Anyways, gang, I'm out of here. That's it for today's video. It's already nighttime. I'm about to chill, relax, and I'm gonna get back with y'all tomorrow when I show y'all what the wheels look like.